Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
It's Friday night. I've just been contacted by someone in the Victorian Labor Party. Blood is in the water for good old Jacinta. They've had enough of her bullshit. They've had enough of what she's been doing and promising and the public's reaction. But here's the bad news for the Victorian Labor Party. No one knows who's going to take the lead. They need Jacinta out to win the election because they know that she's an infection on the people's minds and in their hearts. Now, who are they going to replace her with? That's where the real fighting behind closed doors is, because you've only got a couple of months. So this is a catch-22. Keep Jacinta in, Labor Party's fucked. Kick her out and replace her with somebody that no one really knows, the Labor Party's fucked. It's a sinking ship and all the rats are getting ready to throw at Jacinta. And Jacinta knows this. But what she doesn't understand is she's got people in her close circle. Those are the people with the daggers. They're the ones making the move behind her back. So give it a week, 2 weeks, no more Jacinta. It'll be some bullshit excuse. But today, Friday, the first week of June, it's been written in invisible ink. So, toodaloo, Jacinta. Ha, no one likes you.
Cannot stay silent, not this time, because today it's foreigners, tomorrow it will be someone else. People who are legally in this country are being threatened, attacked, driven from their homes, and watching their businesses and homes being looted. And too many people are looking away. South Africans know what it feels like when people are judged not as individuals but by a group. We know what exclusion feels like. We know what fear feels like. That is why we cannot become the very thing that we once stood against. You don't have to agree on immigration policy. You don't have to agree on politics. But if you believe that innocent people should be attacked because where they came from, then something has gone terribly wrong. A community loses its soul when good people stop speaking, when violence becomes normal, when intimidation becomes acceptable, when fear becomes a tool. We are better than this. We must be better than this, because the moment we justify violence against innocent people, we stop defending our community and we start destroying it.
Uyabona bafethu la eSouth Africa illegal immigration into yamabomu into yebomu because kukhona abantu ababenefitayo kuyo njengabelungu laba aba-own umhlaba namabhizinisi nama-politicians ethu into nje yamabomu. Yabona abantu wabengena la abayingeneli bona, cha bayangeniswa umuntu ethengena kwi-border gate vele nje uselindiwe lapha ka-Home Affairs ukuthi ezoshaya into zakhe bese yahlala la, bayangeniswa ngamabomu. Ngoba likho alikho ikwerekwere namandla ukuthi nje lingenele ezweni umuntu, cha bayangeniswa nje kalula kanjalo. Ngabona uzubona bafethu la South Africa ukuthi indaba yethu ayikho. Yabo amanye amazwe yonke lenye overdema ngeke uzuyenze khohlwa. Ngeke ngeze nje sibonele ukuthi le emazweni ngafika kanjani. Ngizungeza nje isibonele South Korea. Yabo kule minyaka edlule ngeke ngasebenza le eSouth Korea. And indlela yokungena hayi ayisineki no Teddy Bear. Hlekwa no Teddy Bear labantu. Uyabona nje before nje uthathe ibhanoyi yonke into uqala uyenze nje ula ekhaya. Ngenze example ngami. Yonke into ngayenza ngila. Uku-applyela nje ukuyohlala le kuyosebenza le ngakwenza ngila. Yes. Sengwahlanganisile wonke ama-document abawafunayo. Base bengenzela i-contract. Leyo contract ngiyisayina ngikuphi ngila. So bayithumela isuka le eKorea. Bayithumela ngo-FedEx. Yahamba yaze yafika kimi. Mayifika kimi ngafike nje ngayigcwalisa la kugcwaliswa khona ngayisayina. Kukhona nencwadi approvayo ukuthi sengiqashiwe. Yes, i-contract ihamba naleyo ncwadi leyo. kusacertificate mawubheka kodwa nje incwadi nje provayo ukuthi sengiqashiwe and sengiyaqualifya ukuthola ivisa ngiwele ngile konke njalo ngikwenza ngila ngasayina ngila khona la ngakasuki ngathi bengiqeda ukusayina ngayithatha le contract ngayifaka envelope ngayithumela le ngayibuyisela khona le ngakhipha umalini 860 ya 860 ngayiphindisela le uyabo so yonke into yami nje mfethu isethwa ngihleli la angakasuki ngisahleli la yonke into yami yasethwa lapha ama record yami yonke into ethi mina nje iya recordwa lapha mina ngihleli la yes kwase kufika isikhathi sokuthi ngihambe ngokwenza ivisa ke ne abinthi be contract mayifika ayifiki ngicathi ifika nama copy awu2 icopy yokuqala iya le eyesibili sala nawe iyo le ozohlanganisa ivisa ngayo so ngase ngithatha le contract le ngase ngathatha nale ncwadi le approvayo ukuthi sengiqashiwe nama medical records ngaya nayo le ku-embassy yaseKorea ePitoli ngaya ku-embassy ngafike ngabanika i-passport ngabanika i-medical record ngabanika ilekhuzani i-police clearance ephethe i-criminal record ngabanika nelokhuzane nale ncwadi le approvayo ukuthi sengiqashiwe sekulindwe mina abanikeza ba-capture information bayifaka kwi-database yale eKorea yabo benza yonke into base benginikeza i-date ke yokuphuma kwevisa yabo yafika ke i-date yokuphuma kwevisa yabo nje ivisa nje iphuma nje already sengiqashiwe le yes iphuma nje already nje sengikhona kwi-system yonke into njalo ngiyenza ngikuphi ngila angisukanga ngaya le ngafike ngoqala phansi izinto cha yonke into nje bayangenzela mina ngihleli la yabo ukuze ngikwazi ukuthola i-access hayi ngahamba ke ngawelanda ke ivisa ke ba approve ukuthi hayi ivisa sengiyilandile sebesithumela umyalezo le ukuthi ivisa sengiyithathile washa kwacima ke sengilindelekile ukuthi ngomhla kabani ngiyafika le so nje mina nje bethu ngiphethe ivisa ngiphethe wonke ama document abawadingayo nje sebeyazi velele ukuthi ngiyeza sebeyazi angivele nje angisukanga nje bethu nesikebhe ngafike ngaphoseka khona cha already nje sekuyaziwa nje ukuthi khona usibani okasibanibani ozela osuke eSouth Africa eKZN washa wacima kanje uzoshaya lesi span lesi phela yabo yona visa ngangine work visa i-work visa nje mfethu engibounda ukuthi ngenze lesi span ngisiyele kuphela hayi ukunye ne alright sengiyasuka ke la thatha impahla zami manje ngiyongena eBhanoyini ne ngiyafika lapha eOR Tambo kufunekani obviously i-passport ne enevisa kufuneka ivisa onayo ivisa la base befuna ini base befuna icopy ye-contract yes i-contract yokuqala ikuphi ile phesheya eyesibili ngishiye lapha ku-embassy ngayisiza ngashutha ini i-cover page ye-contract bathi nje ngeke ngize ngidlule la i-contract ngingayivezanga or anything eprove ukuthi ngiqashiwe le ngiyele ukuyosebenza ngeke ngidlule la ngayikhiphanga ngase ngiba ngakadonsa ifoni yami ngabavezela i-cover page ye-contract ngadlula kanjalo right ngangena ke eBhanoyini ngashona le ngathi uma ngifika le sengehle airport yazo sesidlula kuma security sesicheckwa lapho ngadlula komunye umshini ne kukhona ulingling la engasese ulingling wathi ulingling angime kulomshini lo ngiveza amehlami ngawaveza amehlami ngarekhordwa amehlami ngarekhorda ithupha zami yonke into and everything ngakhipha ipassport ngacapture information yonke information yami yavela lapha kwicomputer ne because lapha kwi-airport phela bane access ye kahulumeni bane access e-database kahulumeni yabo just for i-security and safety so nje base be-accessa ke i-database kahulumeni yavela yonke information yami ukuthi ngisuke eSouth Africa kanje bengilindeleke ukuthi ngifikele kulelizwe ngosuku oluthile ngafika ngalo lolo suku yes kwavezwa yonke information yami ukuthi nga-apply ngesikhathi esithile kanje i-contract ngayigcwalisa ngayihambisa incwadi eprovayo ukuthi ngiqashiwe yaphuma yonke information yami yavela njengoba injalo lapha emshinini eyiveza ulingling yes makuthiwa yonke le information nje ayivelanga ngangengidlule airport ngangeke ngene phakathi kuma security ngangeke ngidlule yabo so yavezwa yonke information ukuthi cha ula ngokomthetho ungene ngework visa ivisa yakhona isoka from this date to this date and ufike ngayo le date okumele afike ngayo yonke into ikhona na ama document akhona i-criminal record nansi ikhona akanayo not criminal record lokuzani i-police clearance nansi ikhona akana criminal record yonke into ngami yavela lapha emshinini ngiyafika njalo eKorea ngiyafika kodwa nazi into zami seyivelile yabo for security reasons yabo ngathi ngisuka la South Africa vele yonke into yami yayisi-captured kwi-database yabo ukuze uma ngifike e-airport buvele ubufakazi bokuthi cha ngiqashiwe ngokomthetho ngilanga ngokomthetho nansi ivisa ikhona yezwa kuzane nalesipani lese ngiyosipana ku nasesipani la ngiyosipana khona futhi ba-approvile yonke information yami ikhona hayi kwami angidlula kuma-security-ke emva kwalapho ngahamba-ke ngayolala-ke ehhotela-ke ngakusasa-ke bafika-ke labantu abasiqashile bezosilanda uma sifika la siqashwe khona yonke information yethu ikhona yonke information yethu ikhona nathi ibhekiwe lapha kwase kushoda nje ukuthi ngihambe ngiyo-aplayela i-immigrant ID lapha i-immigration office because without immigrant ID ngeke ngiyithole ikhadi lasebhenki i-account yasebhenki ngeke ngiyithole ngeke ngikwazi ukuthenga ifoni futhi izinto ey'ningi ngeke ngikwazi ukuzenza so nje the time nje sesirejistwa-ke seku-approve-ke ukuthi no nazi indawo siyosebenza kuzo kanje sesihlukaniswa-ke into yokuqala nje engake ngahamba ngayenza ngayaphi ngaya kwa-immigration ngayo-aplayela i-immigrant ID because awukwazi ukwenza into ey'ningi lapha immigrant ID ungekho yes ukhona kwi-system ukwi-system ye-reception not yokuhlala ukwi-system ye-reception idatha yakho ikwi-system ye-reception yabo but eyokuhlala nje nginethezeke nami as umuntu cha ayikaka-capture-ishwe esa-capture-ishiwe iye-admission yokuthi ngingenile ezweni ngokomthetho yabo sekumanje sekusele ukuthi manje ngenzenzani kuhlanganisa iy'ncwadi-ke manje ezingigunyazayo ukuthi ngihlale yezwa kwa-immigration lapho ngathatha i-passport yami ne-contract yami yonke into ngahamba ngako immigration ngiphelezelwa lokhuzane yami colleague wami oyi-Korean yabo because isingisi asaziwa phela abancane abantu abazi isingisi so ngaphelezelwa i-Korean colleague yami ezongitolikela ngakhipha i-ID ngakhipha ilokhuzane i-passport every document ethi mina yezwa ba-capture-isha kwathi i-ID yakho-ke kumele uyilande after 2 weeks yezwa ngaleso sikhathi njalo angakazi ukwenza lutho angikwazi ukuthenga foni yezwa angikwazi ukwenza ama-bookings angikwazi ukwenza lutho into engangikwazi ukuyenza ukuthenga ukudla kuphela ngekhadi la kodwa nje ibhenki yale ikhadi lokuzani i-bank card yale i-account yale angingabi nayo into ey'ningi angabi nazo ngisayintsha nje kwaye mayiphuma-ke i-ID kwathi makuphume i-ID nasi isithombe sami nawo wonke ama-details asho ukuthi ngisukaphi ngize ngani la ngize ngokuzosebenza la uma sekuphelele lesi sikhathi lesi kumele ngihambe kwathi mangithola kuleyo ID leyo kwama ngikwazi uku-aplayela ifoni noku-aplayela izinto ey'ningi noku-aplayela ikhadi lasebhenki lokuzana i-bank account and everything angithi yobona ukuthi kumdanti omngakanani ukungene ezweni lomuntu ezweni ongasile lakho umdanti kumele uwenze amadokhumenti uwenze amalokhuzane uthole usayine i-contract uwenze i-visa i-work visa nakhona kunikeza isikhathi esithile ziningi into omele uzenze udlule ey'ndaweni ey'thile ezizo-approve ukuthi no ulanga ngokomthetho ngoba nakhona nkathi ngifika le kwakumele ngiye kuphi kwa-immigration kuqala before ngenza into ey'ningi because without immigration ngangeke ngithole lutho nefoni ngangeke ngikwazi ukuyithenga yabona ngangeke ngikwazi ukwenza lutho why ma ngithola leyo immigration ID into enjalo ngeke uyibone la South Africa la South Africa bayekhalakathela bezenzele ama-ID umuntu ayivulele isitolo lapha ayakhohlwa ngangizothi ngishaya ibhizinisi eceleni ngangizoboshwa ngideport yabo ngoba phela lapha kwaziwa ukuthi ngizokwenza lesi sipani kuphela asikho esinye ngizokwenza lesi engizosenza kwaziwa lokho kwi-system ngatholakala ngenze esinye eceleni awusengiboshiwe kodwa la eMzansi wenza noma yini uvula isipaza lapha ufaka ama-truck lapha udayisa ama-drugs lapha ayekho zokuthinta yabo indaba la eMzansi bafana ayikho nje bafethu security yethu i-weak we probably have the weakest border security on earth we probably have the weaker than Mexico because ama-Mexican akwazi ukusuka le azoyingenela la wena South African hamba uyongena eMexico uzonyiya bokushaya El Chapo lapha bokusakaza abadlali Mzansi indaba yethu bafethu ayikho si-weak we are a weak country security yethu i-weak totally weak too weak.
So many South Africans are now hopping in on this March and March issue that has been happening for the longest time. And now I see even white people are also very concerned, are coming out to also speak on this issue to say, this is not effective. This is really, really not effective. March and March is not effective and it's not working. If there is one thing that March and March is doing, it's actually causing a lot of chaos. A lot have been happening, man. Like it's a lot. And this white man right here, he said something that really stood out to me, which is once they're done with these foreigners, they're going to come after another group. And he is 100% right. He is 100% right, because remember, when this issue started, when this March and March started, they started on illegal immigrants. And then jiki we are on foreigners, like foreigners as whole. As long as you have to leave South Africa. We don't need foreigners in South Africa. Every foreigner must leave South Africa. We want to fix our country. We want to do this and this. We want to do. And I also saw so many women now coming out to say, hey, even gay people coming out to say, guys, be very careful. After they're done with this group that they're dealing with, they're going to come after one of us. It's either gay men or women. Yes, and guys, I can tell you, this one I can tell you for free that hey, they are going to come back for one of these groups. Because remember, the problem is not foreigners. The problem lies on you, not a foreigner. But unfortunately, as human beings, every human being have got this thing that when my things are not going well, I tend to point fingers on the next person. I am the victim. Yes, we have this victim mindset. And once the foreigners left the country, they will now realize, oh, the problem is still there. Now, what is the problem? And then they will go for the next group, which will be either women or gay men, to say, you are the ones who are causing us problems here. And then after that group, they will realize again that the problem is still there. They will then go after another group. It will, like, guys, this is going to get out of hands. Because now, instead of only focusing on illegal immigrants as they started with, they are now focusing on foreigners, and now mixing foreigners with other South Africans, like Venda people, Tsonga people, yes, especially these two groups. They're being, guys, it's a lot. It's a lot. But anyway, please comment your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think?